All right, y'all, welcome back to another one. Today, we are going to do a lower body hit. So we're working on thighs, hamstrings, calves. We're really working on our glute muscles. We're building our glutes today in this workout. But we are going to be using dumbbells. So for this workout, I want you to grab a pair of dumbbells. I want you to make sure you get a warm up in, and then meet me right back here for the workout. For this move, you're going to hold a weight in each hand and you're going to pulse in that lunge position, drawing in that core, and then switch after 15 seconds. For this move, you're going to have a wide stance with your feet. You're going to have just one weight and you're going to squat down and then up. As you come up, squeeze those glutes. For these weighted Romanian deadlifts, you're going to do a deadlift hinging at the hip, going down, and then lift up, drawing in that core and squeezing those glutes. And you'll just keep that going. For these fire hydrants, you just want to make sure that you have your hands and arms in line with your shoulders and you're lifting and back down, lifting and back down, and you just keep that going for the full 30 seconds. With these fire hydrants, you want to remember to squeeze your core, squeeze your glutes, especially as you are pushing that leg up to the side. This is a great move to build that side booty and then also just add a roundness to your booty overall. For this move, you are going to push that leg up like a donkey and then straighten. Up and then straighten, and really activating that core as you bring that knee back in. All right, y'all, you are halfway through the workout. Go ahead, get some water, get a light stretch in, and then meet me back here for set 2.
All right, y'all, you made it to the end of our workout. We're at the finisher. We're just doing donkey kicks here, controlled, making sure we're squeezing those glutes at the top, drawing in that core, keeping that going. Let's push, let's work, let's go.